Bafana Players from Jimiston.
Yeah. It's in Pirates bring back our umbrella.
Yes.
I-umbrella ifile.
Yona le tshwere ke Pirates but it's in the way kaofela. Nyaka mo and then tshwere ba understand go remote parliament eng. So batho ba go puluko ba tlise go tlolela ba re ba nna re ba tloela ba tsaya ba shapa ba press. But ba kana thewe re ka umbrella rule. And now pula isana ke ke winter time. So ba tla le thulusi tsa rona umbrella rule ba back.
Yes.
Ya bona ba tswele pele ba tseba go re cup tsa bona ke Black Label le Nedbank le ba re ke MTN. It don't need to go back to more about all the league.
Yeah.
As you are about how many years? Aba till coach is able to say it, but level.
Yeah.
Couple of the care by kill my bad. Aba can call me la to go table. Yeah. Ba kolot. Ba pagana at some umbrella rule to le play simple thing.
Why in a Lisachi league? Lisachi CAF then live Pirates League.
Manela mo shop na rasolete mo le mo na iba again.
Yeah.
Timo se iba again. Freedom
every man for himself.
Freedom
for himself. Every man for himself. Yeah. Who is the player of the day, man of the match?
Yes.
Also, guys, and was at Obulaya Bachuso. The last minute
and then rathaba go sanda to celebrate the to thusa pole mo Mzansi ake tso gore abatsime next mo Mzansi party sanda is a good team in the player the serious muchino e change obe player mo stage level na bona is 100% mo benching million%. Yabakela tupile 100% aba mo benching 1,000,000% because if you go there you change the game still. Yes.
No, thank you.
And then Wednesday Hurricane Kali 15 Rabuya revelatini ya kwa Afrika raidea ka kapela Rajak
we talk football let's say Real Bukasanda. Thank you. Sure.